That's me.
Hi you guys. So in today's video, this is probably going to be one of the longest videos that I've made. So as you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to be giving myself a purple makeover. I'm just very bored with how I've been looking recently. I feel like I need a change in my life. I've had a wig, a purple wig, forever. When I redid my room, I recently came in contact with this wig and was like, damn, I never used her. Like, today we're gonna learn. Today I'm going to learn how to put on a lace front wig and give myself a purple makeover. I don't think I'm going to be like explaining how I put on the wig. I may just do like a little montage because I don't really know how long this is gonna take, okay? I'm nervous. Like, I've never put on a wig. Like, I got to like glue this to my head somehow and like cut it and like, you know, like it's really difficult. It's really difficult. I've been watching tutorials for the last like 2 days and I think I sort of kind of have it down. I have all the tools that I think that I need. Hopefully we don't need anymore. So let's just get on to this purple makeover. First thing that I know that I need to do is I need to like flatten all of my hair. Okay, we're just not off to the best start, but I think we should just put the wig cap on. We got the wig cap right here. It is a tan. It comes with 2 pieces. We love that. I'm gonna open this right now. We're gonna stick it on my head. We're just going to apply this on my big head. I literally don't even know if it'll go on my head. What? Oh, frick. Dude, dead the do I just like have a fat head? Like, is that literally what it is? Because everyone puts on wig caps like it's the easiest goddamn thing ever. Hey guys, no new video tomorrow because I couldn't stick on a damn wig. Okay guys, so now what we're supposed to do is I think we're supposed to like glue this part down. Got to be glued. Blasting freeze spray. Okay you guys, so I've officially cut off all of the lace. The wig is stuck down on my forehead, but like right here where you can kind of see like some black hair still. Yeah, she does not want to stick over there, so I have to stick it down and then we'll be back. Okay you guys, so she's on. She's literally on. Like, look at her. I have a little bit of black hair sticking out underneath and I literally can't do anything about it, so I'm gonna have to cut it off. I have to cut this little. I had to cut my actual hair off because it was sticking out of the wig. Okay you guys, so I'm back with my eyebrows on and the wig's like on, sort of. To the best of my capability, for my first time ever applying a lace front wig like this, I think I did really amazing actually. I'm gonna start with the eyes first. We are working with colors. I don't want any like little like fallout and stuff like that. I'm gonna take this Becca Hydro Mist setting powder that I actually have not like used yet. I opened it, but I haven't like actually like used it like on my face. Oh my god, I need to like replay that sound 5 times. What the hell kind of sound was that?
Sneeze, bitch.
No bitch, but your little scream, it was like a scream at the beginning.
No, it wasn't.
Yes it was, bitch. Why did I hear it with my own 2 ears? Why did I hear it with my own 2? What?
OMG.
Yeah bitch, I'm in my bedroom. I'm in my bitch, I can talk all the shit I want. What you talking about? This is my room. Girl, bye. So I'm using the Morphe 35B palette because it's where's all my colorful eyeshadows are. So I'm just going to pick a bunch of random purple shades, honestly, and just create some kind of ish look. Whenever I'm doing a colorful look and I don't really know what I'm gonna do, I usually take like the lightest color in that shade range, apply it as like my transition shade, and then go from there. I've been wanting to do this video for so long. I've been wanting to use this wig. Like, it's been in the box for forever. So I have another purpley shade. It's shimmering and I don't know if I want to add that. I'm kind of scared I'm gonna mess it up. Yeah, it's just turning it into like more of like a purpley purple versus like a blue purple. Let me know, you guys, if you guys do like the idea of this video in the comments down below, and you guys want me to do like more transformations. I'm kind of down to like do these in like every shade, and like do a yellow wig and a green wig and like a blue wig, because I want to start getting into like putting on wigs. I just think they're fun, and if you're literally ever bored with your life or just how you look, that's exactly how you can like switch up your look without having to really do that much. So now I'm going to go with some concealer, and I think I want to kind of ish carve. I think that's kind of what I was going for. Okay, guys, so I think this is like the eyeshadow part that we came up with. I think this is what I want to do. Looks pretty good to me. So now what I'm going to be doing is, y'all already know the drill. I'm going to go apply my mascara, and then I'm going to apply my eyelashes because I don't know how to do that on camera. And then I'll see you guys when I semi look like a bad bitch. The lashes are on, the eyeshadow is done. This is what we're kind of working with. The eyelashes are gluing right now, so I haven't like pushed them down to my face, but we're going to move on to, you know, the rest of the face now. I'm actually gonna go in with a new primer that I've never tried before, and it's the Il Makiage No Filter Poreless Primer Base. Oh, I like it. It feels really actually soft on my skin. I'm going to be taking a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way, which I literally have like none left. I'm on like the very, very bottom, and then the Il Makiage one. The next thing that we're going to do is I'm just going to run in with concealer, apply it underneath my eyes, on any of my little problem areas, and then I'm also going to carve out my top of my eyebrows with this concealer as well. Okay guys, so the concealer's on, the tops of my eyebrows, you know, are carved out. Now I'm going to go in with powder, which today I actually decided that I wanted to use this Becca powder that I got in my BoxyCharm box that I have yet to use. I used it on my eyes, but I haven't used it as like an all over setting face powder. That is done. Now we're going to go in with contour to give us some really defined cheeks, and you know, kind of just define our face just a little bit more. Our face is looking a little flat. So we're just gonna let that chill for a little bit. The next thing I'm gonna be going in with is I'm going to go in with some blush, and we're just going to make ourselves look a little more cute. We're gonna pick a pinky blush just to make us look sweet and innocent. I have this like bright pink blush that I've been using from Il Makiage, which is again the same primer, same foundation that I used, and it is just this very, very bright like hot pink-ish blush. I love it. I've been using it a lot recently. There guys, we look sweet, cute, innocent. I'm now just gonna quickly go in with some highlights. I decided I'm gonna use this ColourPop Stole the Show little highlighter, which I don't usually use. Wow, oh, she's very blinding. Oh, frick. I'm running just a tad bit of contour down my nose. I don't really need to contour my nose because my nose is actually really small and symmetrical and extremely perfect actually. So if anyone ever wants to try and come for my nose, you can't. So one thing on my body that I just know for a fact that you just can't come for because she's 100% symmetrical. I'm gonna go in with this. Lick the brush. You guys all have an aneurysm over me licking the brush, but if I do recall, like this brush is literally going on my face, so I don't know why it triggers as many people as it does, but I could eat a burger and it would trigger somebody, so you know it's fine. Just going to throw this into my inner corner as well, just so our eyes are a little bit more brightened. So really just the last step on this whole transformation is to do the underneath of the eyes and then also doing my lips. So I'm going to take off the powder underneath real quick. Okay, not bad. Honestly, like low-key ties in the look. Okay, yeah, we could do this. We could work with it. Low-key crying, but it's fine. Every single time I put on bottom mascara, it makes me cry. We're gonna do our lips now. I don't know what color I want to do, so let me go like stock my lipsticks and then I'll be right back. So I think I came up with a little lip combo. I hope it doesn't look stupid. If it does, we're gonna take it off and we're gonna try the next color. I think I'm gonna do like a brownish lip liner. This is a Steve Laurent Chic lip liner that I got in my BoxyCharm box, and then I'm thinking about maybe doing this like brightest purple lipstick color. I don't know. We're gonna see how this turns out. We might be taking it off and adding a freaking nude. We don't know. Okay, you guys, so I already have on my purpley, you know, shirt because I already wore it for the video. I think the last thing that we need is some accessories. So I'm gonna go grab some purple sunglasses to complete, you know, our look. So guys, we have two different pairs of glasses that we could try on. We have these ones for the look, which these are my more favorite ones, which I like these ones. These ones are cute. Oh, I kind of look like a different person. It's kind of freaking me out. We also have these more purple ones, which Bianca thinks that I should do these ones because they're like a different shade of purple. But the wig's kind of making them like not sit flat on my face. These are the other ones. Low-key, these kind of do look better. So you guys, this is the completed look with the glasses and all that stuff. Let's see, how do we want to part my hair? Probably like this. Just go catfishing motherfuckers now. So you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly don't know how I expected this video to turn out. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna end up filming it because I thought I was going to give up and the wig was not gonna go as planned, but you know, I kind of did decent. This is the eyes. I definitely feel like this eye looks a lot better than this one, but you know, it's fine. I'm not really, don't know how I feel about the lip. I think it's because I just don't wear lip colors like this, so it's really different for me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do other colors, like transforming myself into like another like color where I do like a blue or like yellow or like green or all that stuff. I don't know, I kind of want to do that because I think it's fun. After putting this purple wig on, I'm like, suddenly I like wigs and I want to buy them like every single color. So if you're a wig company and you're stalking me and you're watching my videos and you want to send me wigs, now is the time to hit me up. There's so many wig companies that literally hit me up and I just never reply because I just don't know how to put on wigs, but now hit me up, I will reply to you. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys will be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. Been trying to be active on those, been trying to, you know, keep up with the social media world and become like a true social media influencer. Been really trying. I've sort of been kind of ish doing well, so go follow me on those if you guys want to see what I'm doing. But yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.